Welcome to AliExpress, a shopper's paradise. Hey there, fellow shopaholics. Ever heard of AliExpress? It's like a giant online flea market, but way more fun. Imagine millions of products at crazy low prices, all at your fingertips. Yeah, it's that good. AliExpress is a global online marketplace based in China. It connects buyers from all over the world with independent sellers offering a mind-boggling array of goods. We're talking everything from clothes and gadgets to home decor and weird stuff you never knew existed. The best part? AliExpress is known for its unbelievably low prices. You can find amazing deals on things you need and things you didn't even know you needed. It's like a treasure hunt for bargain hunters. But hold on, how do you pay for all this awesome stuff? Don't worry, I got you covered. PayPal, your trusty sidekick for secure AliExpress shopping. Navigating the wild world of online payments can be scary, right? That's where PayPal swoops in to save the day. Imagine it as your trusty sidekick, protecting your hard-earned cash while you shop till you drop. PayPal is a global online payment platform that lets you pay for things online securely. It acts as a middleman between you and the seller, so you don't have to share your credit card details with every website you shop on. Pretty neat, huh? When you use PayPal on AliExpress, your payment information is encrypted and protected. That means hackers and scammers will have a much harder time getting their grubby hands on your money. But wait, there's more. PayPal also offers buyer protection. If something goes wrong with your order, like you don't receive your item or it's not as described, PayPal has your back. They'll help you resolve the issue and get your money back. Peace of mind while you shop? Yes, please. Conquering AliExpress with PayPal. Ready to embark on your AliExpress adventure with PayPal? Buckle up, it's about to get exciting. Follow these steps to score sweet deals. First, create a PayPal account. It only takes a few minutes. Now, shop on AliExpress. Fill your cart with goodies. Head to checkout. Select PayPal as your payment option. Log in and confirm your payment. It's quick, easy, and secure. You'll get confirmation emails from AliExpress and PayPal. You've conquered AliExpress with PayPal. Now sit back and await your purchases. Section 4. AliExpress by the numbers, a global phenomenon. Remember how I said AliExpress is like a giant online flea market? Well, it's more like a mega city-sized flea market. This global phenomenon boasts some seriously impressive stats. Over 200 million active buyers worldwide. That's right, millions of people just like you are already addicted to AliExpress's amazing deals. Products shipped to over 200 countries and regions. No matter where you are in the world, chances are AliExpress can deliver your heart's desires right to your doorstep. Top categories include fashion, electronics, home and garden, and beauty and health. From trendy clothes to the latest gadgets, AliExpress has something for everyone. These numbers speak for themselves. AliExpress is a global force to be reckoned with. And with PayPal by your side, you can join the millions of savvy shoppers who are already reaping the benefits. Why PayPal? Peace of mind with every purchase. PayPal is your ticket to safe and easy shopping. Security first. Your financial information is precious and PayPal knows it. Top-notch encryption and fraud prevention measures. Buyer protection, you're covered. Convenience is key. Pay with just a few clicks. Security, buyer protection, and convenience. What more could you ask for? Section 6. Ready, set, shop. Unleash your inner bargain hunter on AliExpress. Congratulations, my friend. You've reached the end of this AliExpress and PayPal crash course. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to conquer the world of online shopping like a pro. Remember, AliExpress is your one-stop shop for amazing deals on millions of products. PayPal is your trusty sidekick, ensuring secure and convenient payments every time. So what are you waiting for? Head over to AliExpress, unleash your inner bargain hunter, and experience the joy of finding incredible deals with the peace of mind that PayPal provides. Happy shopping!